Today, I'll be sharing with you my honest thoughts about living here in Finland. So here's the truth, the good, the bad, and everything in between. Happy Mother's Day to everyone, to all moms out there.
This yellow cable and
First agenda, check! Prisma time! Yan, madami ng balloons. Dahil today is Vapo Day. Kami nyo makikita din mga kaganong sombrero, oh. Ayan, ganito yung graduation hat nila. Masuot nila ganyan. Ang daming aesthetics dito. Kaso medyo pricey. Parang yummers.
€1.
€1 lang
One and a half.
na patatas.
Welcome to Japan!
Wow, ang dami! Ang ganda! Ito yung magandang spot, oh.
Ito.
Huba Paiba everyone! Ngayon, andito kami sa Hanami Festival dito sa Finland. So, Hanami Festival is actually a Japanese cherry blossom festival which is co-celebrated also here in Finland. And, tchanan! Ito yung background natin ngayon. Today is also Mother's Day. So, happy Mother's Day to everyone, to all moms out there. In Finland, they say it as Huva Aitien Paiva. Ang mga ganap dito is more on picnic. Ang daming tao ngayon dito and sobrang ganda ng weather. Sa Pilipinas, hindi tayo nagsasunbathing pero dito nagsasunbathing tayo. From the previous week, sobrang cloudy as in ngayong araw yung start na umaraw ulit and the coming week is mainit na. So hopefully, pa summer na talaga. We're just enjoying the sun. Pinoy. Ay, ang ganda. Ingman. Ito.
One cup.
Sa'yo ka? Ang laki ng mga aso. Ang laki. Korean food naman.
Here. 감사합니다.
Korean waffle. Okay, try. Taste test ng ating Korean pancake. Magkano to? 2
€5.
pieces, €5. Mm.
Lemon.
Ano siya? Sugar? Ang sarap.
Oh. Ah.
Mas masarap pa daw kaysa dun sa ice cream.
Gluten-free kasi yung ice cream kaya hindi masarap.
Gluten-free ba? Nakalagay? Gluten-free? Try natin ito akyatin. Ito yung tower. Kaya tayo dito. Oo. Wow. Yun yung mga cherry blossoms sa baba. Wow, ito ang playground. Sobrang lawak. Andito yung Junakis namin. Ay, kahilo. Oh, mataas yan. Mukha lang siyang mababa.
Ah.
Outfit check. Eh. Uy! Ang pakiramdam pag spring dito. Pag nasa lilim, ang lamig. Pag nasa arawan ka, ang init. Hey guys! Welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be sharing with you my honest thoughts about living here in Finland. So, ako and my Junakis is here in Finland for 10 months now. My husband is here for a year now. So, as a Filipino living here, I would say there's a lot of surprises talaga. And a lot of things you need to expect and to be prepared. Lalo na kung katulad nyo kaming first timer na mag-ibang bansa. And I would say these surprises, some are really good and let's say yung others are challenging. So here's the truth, the good, the bad, and everything in between. So let's start with the weather. As a Filipina who grew up in the Philippines for 28 years, living in a tropical country and then moving to a Nordic country is really challenging. Winter in Finland isn't just cold, but actually it is disrespectfully cold. Sobrang harsh ng winter dito. Parang mas harsh pa siya sa kaibigan yung prangka, ganun. Winter season dito is maikli ang araw and sobrang lamig. And imagine you'll experience that for 5 to 6 months. Kaya ang seasonal depression or winter depression dito sa Finland is real. But during summer, sobrang nice ng summer dito. Warm ang weather and ang araw literal na whole day. Kaya tanongin niyo muna yung sarili niyo kung kakayanin niyo ba yung ganung weather dito. So let's talk about the Finnish culture and people. Finnish culture is very different from ours. Like tayong mga Filipino, we are known to be friendly and outgoing, while mga Finns, they are the type of people who are quiet, reserved, private, and very independent. Dito parang may COVID pa rin. Ano yun yung laging may social distancing? Because Finnish people want to have their personal space and it's really normal here in Finland. Kahit pagsasakay ka ng bus, usually wala kang makakatabi kasi they would rather choose to stand up kesa tumabi with other people. And it's really normal here in Finland, yung mga ganong situation because they want their personal space. Ganun. But they say that Finnish people are also the honest, kind, and super respectful type of people. No one cares about you. Kahit ano yung suot mo dito, wala silang pakialam sa'yo. Okay, so this is where Finland really shines. Work-life balance here is really amazing. Like, people respect your time. No toxic overtime. Hindi pa ako nag-work dito, guys, ha. Yung husband ko nag-work. I can see how this work-life balance really work. Like, sometimes, yung asawa ko na yung nagre-reklamo, bakit walang pasok. Alam ko is they have 1 month vacation, other than the 1 month vacation, Christmas to New Year, bakasyon din sila, and yung mga other holidays na walang pasok. Next is the Filipino community here in Finland. We are very grateful to meet some fellow Filipinos here. Like yung mga nami-meet naming mga Filipinos dito or mga nagiging friends naming Filipino dito are very humble, very kind. Grabe, hands down kami sa lahat ng mga kaibigan naming Filipinos dito. Kasi sobrang babait nila. It reminds me that no matter how far we are, we can carry home with us dito sa Finland. So here's the pros and cons of moving to Finland. Pros muna, syempre. Unang-una is the high quality of life. Finland consistently ranks as the happiest country in the world. What truly sets Finland apart is its strong sense of trust, safety, and community. Education is top tier, healthcare is accessible, and life feels balanced. In Finland, happiness comes from a peaceful life and not from money. Number 2 is strong social services, access to free or affordable healthcare, education, and public services to all residents dito sa Finland. Yes. Number 3, I have mentioned this one, work-life balance. Clean and safe environment. Yes, very safe dito. Alam niyo ba, marami ditong mga bata na naglalakad lang mag-isa pumapasok sa school nila. I think starting 7 years old, talagang tinuturuan na sila maging independent, and you'll see a lot of kids here going to their school by themselves. Talagang ma-assure mo na living here is very safe. And in terms of cleanliness, the trash system here is well organized. There are separate bins for plastic, paper, glass, metal, and food waste. Recycling is a normal part of life in Finland, and they do believe that cleanliness is more than just no litter, but it means respect for the nature and for each other. Next is the cons. So I also mentioned this one, harsh weather and long winters. Number 2, language barrier. Sobrang hirap ng Finnish language. And if you're coming here to Finland through family ties katulad ko, and then you look for a job here, sobrang hirap makahanap ng trabaho. I think it's one of the cons. Mahirap maghanap ng trabaho dito sa Finland. Kasi nga, requirement nila is yung language. Meron naman sila ditong program that they offer for us to learn the language. I'm also taking that language training right now. So, ilang months na ba ako nag-aaral? 3 months. So, Suomen kieli on tosi vaikea, mutta se on tärkeä kapag dito ka na titira. Next is the cost of living here in Finland. Sobrang mahal ng cost of living dito sa Finland. Halos lahat may tax. News na napapanood natin sa balita sa Pilipinas, di ba? Na ang Finland daw offers 90,000 to 120,000 or 1,600 euro plus to 2,000 or 3,000 something. Yes, malaking pera siya bilang sahod, but the cost of living here is also mataas. So, if you're planning to move here to Finland, number 1 na matitip ko is make sure to do a lot of research. Manood kayo ng mga YouTube videos. Subscribe kayo sa channel namin. Charot. Sa Google, you research about Finland, you research about the country. Don't focus lang sa sahod na, oh, ganito yung sahod. Gusto ko dito, gusto ko pumunta dito. There's a lot of things that you should consider. Like, nakita ko sa mga posts is there are a lot of Filipino already here in Finland nagko-comment na mga negative about dito because actually it's the truth. Yun naman yung katotohanan. Depende pa rin sa'yo on how you can handle the situations here. Kung gaano ka kasipag, kung gaano ka ma-discarded dito, masusurvive mo yung pagtira dito sa Finland. But kung hindi, yung nag-expect ka lang, makukuha mo is 90,000, 120,000, goods na yon. Kung magpo-focus ka lang doon, baka maligwak ka dito sa Finland. Living here in Finland or moving here in Finland is one of the best decisions we've ever made. Kasi inisip namin hindi lang para sa aming mag-asawa, but it's actually for the future of our son. I would say na Finland is a really, really good country to live in. Siyempre, hindi naman din natin sugarcoat yung mga negative things. I mean, kahit sa bansa ka naman lumipat, laging may challenges or may struggle kang haharapin eh, 'di ba? So, it depends na lang sa'yo kung saang lugar mo siya gustong i-take yung challenges na yun. And us, we choose here in Finland, And we're just very grateful and we're very blessed na dito kami dinala ni Lord in Finland. That's it. I hope this video helps you if you're planning to move here in Finland. And if you like to know more about our life or daily living dito sa Finland, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you everyone!